y'all, SherryB back with yet another video. This is my foundation makeup routine. It came out flawless. It came out exactly the way I wanted it. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime I post. But without further ado, let's get into the video. I'm gonna be mixing these two foundations together. This is simple. This is the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Long Matte Longwear Foundation. See, it's perfect. It's perfect. Not too light, not too dark. The Fenty, this is actually my first time trying the Fenty Beauty. It's very lightweight, and I'm gonna say it's very matte. For oily skin, I highly recommend this Fenty Beauty. I do want to do something different, and I'm gonna contour first. This Black Radiance in the color. It doesn't have a color, but this is the Black Radiance. The Black Radiance concealer stick. And now we're going to blend this out. Now that we got all that blended out, I'm gonna take my eyeliner. I'm gonna do my eyeliner. And for beginners, Scotch tape is the best thing. It's the best thing. It helps you keep your line straight. It helps you not go past that point. So this Morphe liquid liner. Next, I'm gonna put on my concealer, and we have our handy dandy. You already know LA Pro concealer. With my Airspun translucent extra coverage. Extra coverage. Takes a minute. Next, I'm gonna go in with this contour palette, this contour kit by Kiss Professionals. This is in the color Deep. I use all three of these. I mean, no, just these two. I use two of these right here. This color and next color. I mix them together. Okay, I went ahead and put on some lashes and I contoured my nose. Okay, now I'm gonna highlight with the Revolution Vintage Lace and Tease Metallic Cream Powder highlight. Look at that. Let me fix this, y'all. Let me put my wig on, and we're gonna go from there. Be right back. Last, we're gonna take the Millennium Make It Last Matte Finish Spray. Highly recommend these.